Okay, you're going to start here. You're going to go to File, Preferences, Settings, type in VENV, and then you say I already typed in .my_env with the tilde and /. If it wasn't there, you would add item and type tilde / my_env. And so where did I get the my_env from? It's because I created the folder here on the Pi project, my_env. So that's where the terminal is going to, the Python interpreter. Now, see this Explorer side here? Now, it's easier if you open the folder and work from within the folder within the VS Code Explorer. Go to File, Open Folder. Here's where I got Python demo from. So if you open that, it'll show up in the Explorer in the VS Code. But we want to choose the Python demo. So we'll select that folder, open that up. This is where I wrote the code for merge_to_flu.py. I'm going to delete these 3 files. So I'm going to open up my File Explorer, choose the files that I want to copy into the Explorer. It'll be template HR, template OHRS. Just drag it in and release. Then when we're in there, now I can run this code, merge_to_flu.py. And we're going to run it. You can see outerjoin.csv file was created. And that's where it is right here. If I open it up, you'll see that it worked fine.